Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious donut. These are the ingredients we'll be using for the donut. Here we have 1 cup of sugar, half teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Here we have 2 tablespoons baking powder. We have half cup vegetable oil. You can use butter as well. We have 1 cup milk and 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We have 4 eggs. So guys, we'll start first by putting all the dry ingredients together. We're gonna put the nut milk, the salt, and the baking powder, and we'll be leaving out the sugar. The sugar will go with the wet ingredients. So we're gonna mix everything to combine. Make sure you mix this well. Use a spatula and mix everything to incorporate well. After mixing this real good, we're gonna set this aside and we'll go straight with the wet ingredients. So in the bowl here, we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar. Next, we're gonna add our oil. You can use melted butter as well. Use or any oil of your choice. Next, we're gonna add the 1 cup of milk. And next, we're gonna go ahead and add our 4 eggs in the mixture. In the absence of nut milk, you can use lemon zest or you can use vanilla flavor. The measurement will still remain the same. So guys, right now we're just gonna go ahead and mix all these wet ingredients together to incorporate. We're gonna so that the sugar can be well dissolved and the egg can incorporate with the milk. So we're gonna go ahead and give a nice stir or a nice mix so everything can be well mixed and dissolved. So guys, when mixing your batter, make sure it's not too hard. If it's too hard, you can either add milk or water. Your egg should be at room temperature, and we want to make sure our liquid is well mixed. Right now we're gonna go ahead and combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. So now we're turning everything into the flour. We're gonna go ahead, use the spatula to mix everything together to combine. Make sure you mix everything well to combine. Mix this well to form a batter. And don't over mix your batter. Don't over mix your batter. If it's too hard, make sure you add some milk or water. When you're adding the milk or water, add it gradually. It shouldn't be too much. Like this, make sure it's really hard. So I'll go ahead and add a little bit of water and I'll give a quick mix to combine. So guys, this is the mixture or the texture I've been looking for. This is the right texture for our donut, and you don't want to over mix it. I'll set this aside and I'll have our oil on the stove. Your oil should be on medium heat. If your oil is on high, it will burn on the outside while the inside is still raw. So right now I will start by frying. I'm just gonna do this like how we do the puff puff. You have several ways to cut this into the oil. Like this is how I do mine. I just use it my hands. I do the way we do puff puff. Very easy. You follow this step by step and you will have this delicious donut. Your oil shouldn't be hot, too hot. It should just be hot enough to fry your donut. And make sure you stir your donut frequently so it doesn't get burned on one side. Yeah, see how delicious our donuts look? This looks so delicious, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat some of this. This is really rich, and go try this method and you will definitely love it. Guys, our donut is ready. So right, see how nice and fluffy it looks. Go try this method and you will love it. Look at how delicious it looks. Follow step by step and tell me how yours came out. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.